Now I want to share with you a technique which was given to me recently. I call it fire water. First, obviously, you listen to the instructions and you read them in the description box so that you know what you have to prepare. First, this practice should be done in the first quarter of the moon cycle. It is the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th moon day. Then, you can put a nice meditative music to support your process. I always recommend to have specific music which you listen to always during any cosmic surgery procedure, because it will immediately put you into that mode. Then you take a big bowl or a bucket, like round bucket, and you pour warm water into it. So now you have water in your bucket. Lit up a candle and illuminate this water with your candle. Next, draw or sum the crystal of the divine reality on a sheet of paper, and then start burning this paper with this drawing with the candle, and the moment it catches fire, put the paper into the water and put the fire out, and let the paper stay in the water. After this, put timer for 11 minutes and put your hands into the water like this, and you wait for 11 minutes until your timer is up. Sit quietly in a meditative state. You can close your eyes. When the timer is up, you take out your hands, you drain the water, your practice is over. And please don't forget to send gratitude to the higher beings for supporting your practice always. Now, what is this practice for? First of all, it balances your mental, emotional and physical bodies and state. Second, it restores the water balance in your body. Third, it takes away, puts out excessive fire energy within you, aggressiveness, annoyance, etc. Fourth, it attunes your 6th chakra here, your 3rd eye, your intuition. Fifth, it heals from leprosy if you have it. Sixth, it attunes all the elements or doshas in your body. Next, it replenishes your psychological health. Number 8, it increases your libido, sexual desire. And number 9, it calms an active mind, making it meditative. So you can see how incredibly potent